What you're about to witness is not just a restoration. It's the rebirth of a forgotten giant. Buried under layers of neglect, its true power lay dormant. Every layer of rust tells a story of abandonment. But now, a meticulous process begins to unveil its hidden potential. To bring it back, it must first be completely undone. The heart of the machine is methodically exposed. Each component, a piece of a forgotten puzzle. Heavy and worn, the main structure is carefully separated. The deconstruction reveals the true extent of the decay. The foundation is stripped bare, ready for a new beginning. The remnants of its past life are swept away. Even the smallest parts hold secrets to its inner workings. The central axle, seized by time, is finally freed. Years of grime are painstakingly scraped away. A gentle rotation tests for new life within the old metal. The outer shell begins to shed its weathered skin. The machine is reduced to its essential elements. A delicate cleaning, preparing for the transformation ahead. One final piece is removed. Laid bare, the components await their renewal. The restoration begins, assembling the core with renewed parts. With precision, a new heart is carefully prepared for the old body. Specialized tools apply pressure, separating old from new. Elsewhere, the stubborn remnants of the past are chiseled away. The process is brutal, yet necessary. Fire is used to purify the metal, breaking the bonds of decay. Force and fire combine in a transformative dance. Every imperfection is meticulously carved out. A shower of sparks signals the stripping of the old surface. The raw, powerful form underneath is slowly unveiled. A new subject is brought forth. The engine, its own intricate story of wear and tear is explored. The process repeats, a careful deconstruction. Each part of the engine's core is revealed. The spark of its life, the plug, is gently removed. Precision drilling prepares the housing for a new life. The engine is systematically disassembled, piece by piece. A new assembly begins, bringing the renewed engine back together. The once failing heart is now whole and clean. The engine's original casing, still showing signs of its past life. The fuel tank, a vessel that once held its lifeblood. The clutch mechanism, a link between power and action. Each part is inspected, a silent assessment of its history. The spark plug, bearing the mark of its maker, is removed. The old, dark oil, the blood of the machine, is drained away. The cylinder head, scarred with grease and time. Now, we peer into the very heart of the engine. The intricate dance of gears and shafts is revealed. The piston and connecting rod, the source of its power. The The delicate valves are carefully extracted. Two halves of the whole, separated and ready for rebirth. The raw power of the grinder strips away the last vestiges of decay. The clutch is polished, restored to its former purpose. The fuel tank is cleansed of its rust and scratches. The red shell gleams, a hint of the brilliance to come. Another piece emerges from the cleansing, vibrant and renewed. Final touches remove any remaining impurities. The collection of restored parts gleams with promise. They are now ready not just for assembly, but for a true metamorphosis. The final cleansing, high-pressure water washes away the grit of the past. The stage is set for a complete transformation. The grinding continues, smoothing the imperfections of a long life. Where the metal was weak, it is now healed with fire and steel. The flame seals the fractures, making the body whole again. This is not just repair, it is Each part is given the same treatment, reborn from its rusty shell. A final, careful adjustment before the new identity is applied. The metamorphosis begins. A coat of silver primer lays the foundation. The engine block is sealed, protected, and renewed. Smaller components receive their new armor. A vibrant orange introduces a bold new character. The color breathes life and energy into the cold metal. The handle, once unseen, now stands out with purpose. Each layer is applied with precision. Then, a deep, striking blue joins the palette. The machine's new identity is almost complete. The painted pieces are brought together. The assembly begins. Gentle force joins the reborn components. The final pieces of the puzzle are locked into place. The resurrection starts with the foundation, vibrant and new. A small but crucial seal is set into place. The pulley system is carefully mounted. The renewed core is united with the mainframe. Power tools secure the bond, fusion of old and new. A final check ensures the structure is solid. Another layer of the body is added, completing the main housing. The operator's handle is prepared for installation. It clicks into place, providing a point of control. Now, attention turns to the engine's intricate assembly. A bearing is seated, ensuring smooth operation. The gears of power are meshed together. A gasket is laid, promising a perfect seal. The internal mechanism is carefully enclosed. The engine's case is closed, its inner workings protected. The housing is secured, its rebirth nearly complete. The final components of the control system are added. the delicate and final adjustments are made. One last piece, and the engine is whole again. The restored engine, a masterpiece of mechanical renewal. The assembly continues, adding the finishing touches. The black housing components are attached. The blue fan cover is installed, a flash of its new identity. A mark of precision, a final quality check. The distinctive red starter assembly is put in place. Another gasket ensuring the engine's integrity. The cylinder head is torqued down, sealing the power within. The iconic red engine cover completes the look. The cooling fan is fitted, vital for its operation. The last screws are carefully installed. The intricate assembly is now finished. The last components are fitted with care. The reborn engine stands ready, a symbol of dedication. Receives its lifeblood, fresh, clean oil. And the fuel that will ignite its newfound power. A close-up reveals the stunning final product. The engine is lowered into the waiting frame of the compactor. A final piece connects control to power. The transformation is complete. The forgotten giant is awake. Behold the finished machine, a synthesis of color and power. Its solid base, a testament to its renewed strength. The heart of the machine, now beating with a steady pulse. Its new purpose awaits on a landscape yet to be shaped. From the workshop to the worksite, its journey continues. The reborn machine is put to the test. No longer a relic, it now powerfully shapes the earth. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, Gearhead Resurrection, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.